done, push it out.
Remember last time we
Sit down.
did this?
Oh my goodness! How did he know? That's a good one.
Give Colby something.
Okay, Colby, here.
I'm gonna play with it.
Colby, let's open this one.
Where's my
Look.
next one?
That's yours.
Okay.
Look. Dad, why don't you sit with Colby and help him? Bye. Bye, Colb. You get him. What is it?
You like that bite, huh? Huh? Want to get you one?
Another Susu. You got so many.
Mommy,
What?
hi, you asked them to get me a new suit because mine broke.
Okay, why don't you open your presents? Instead of asking for more and more.
Bring your present, son. Bring your present. What's that?
Go ahead, Liz. Anything that has your name on it, you can open.
Oh.
Look, this is yours. It's a snowball maker.
Go outside and make some
You
snowballs
scoop
today.
the snowball and you throw it at people. Is that cool? Okay, what's
Oh, I
yours?
just threw it at Colby. But he gets a little.
How am I going to take your picture if you come over to me? Go
Yes.
sit down and we'll open a
Listen.
present with Daddy. Uh-oh, the truck just jumps off the shelf.
The judge. Colby's gonna hammer it.
Colby.
Giraffe Limbo. It's a game. You limbo underneath it. You don't hit his head.
I have
Hey,
a
Mom.
video of stuff.
Good stuff.
I have a
Open it.
video
Open it.
not long at all.
Open it.
See her because she's...
No, you can stop until she opens